Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you the world's simplest SR or set reset latch. So let me show you first. You see, you can easily set it using this button. It becomes active. Then when you obstruct it, it becomes reset. So let me tell you what is going on here. So initially when we start this circuit, there's it's an off state. Nothing is happening. There is no voltage at the base, so it starts to emit. Here I've used a common general purpose BC547 NPN transistor, and then I've placed a 1 kilo ohm resistor in between base and emitter, and an LDR in series with the positive or anode of the LED, which will be given with the positive supply. So let's see what's going on here. So first of all, when it's initially started, there's no voltage flowing, right? Then when I press this button, voltage starts to flow from collector to emitter. This switch is placed between collector and emitter. So voltage starts to flow, and then it goes through the via the LED. The LED starts to glow. There's like electricity starts to flow from the LED to the ground. And then something also happens that the LDR, which in its off state had a very high resistance of around 1 mega ohm. It became very small, around 2 or a few ohms. Then it also started to flow current, and then the base it supplied voltage to the base, and then the base got triggered, and there was also current flow from base to emitter. So there's like a circuit from here to the ground. So it's stuck in this state until and unless the you obstruct it, or and the LDR's resistance becomes very high and there's no voltage flowing at the base. And then you can just simply reset it by this, and then this latch continues. This is the simplest SR latch that you can make at home. So yeah, do try it at home, and yeah, thank you.